Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm rocking a song from 5 Seconds of Summer. It's called Everyone's a Star. Okay, really like this one. It's dark, cool song, a little bit aggressive in tempo in it. So let's do this together. Everyone's a star, even you guys. So let's go into it. So hit the capo on first. That's the best setup in my opinion. And with that, 5 chords. So let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with E. So that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be F. We're gonna work these two chords a lot in the song. This is a bar chord. You place index finger on the first fret, you cover all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. And then we're gonna move on with the C. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also got the D. Open D, second G, third B, second E, and finally we have the A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we can play this in different ways. I choose the strumming pattern that sounds like this. Okay, so with E, you're gonna start down, clap, and then you continue with down, up, down, and then you finish off with clap down. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Or down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. So okay, so there you have it, guys. And yes, this is a long one when it comes to the strumming pattern, but it fits perfectly well with the rhythm and the beats also. So therefore, that's my choice of strumming for this song. We're gonna go into the verse and learn that. I mentioned the E and F, and that's exactly how you handle this first part. You're gonna play E one string around and then F one string around, and you alternate that for 4 rounds, and that will be the verse, but also it happens to be the pre-chorus. It's played exactly in the same way, verse and pre-chorus here. So 4 rounds in the verse and 4 rounds in the pre-chorus. So a couple of rounds, E, F, like this. And I gave you 4 rounds there. That's either the verse or pre-chorus. It's played in the same way. And that takes us to the chorus. That happens about 49 seconds in. Everyone's a star. That's where we are in lyrics. The theme here. And we're going to play C1, D1, E1, and A minor 1. That's the first half of it. And then the second half will be to play C, 1 string around, D1, A minor 1, and F1. And that's the second half. So let's do it together. C, D, E, A minor, C, D, A minor, F. And then we're gonna finish off with an instrumental part that goes E, F, and then again E, and a pause. So almost 2 rounds of that E, F, but you have a pause in the final part there. So that is the instrumental part, and that will be the first round. Second round, just repetition, guys. Verse, pre-chorus, and even the second chorus played exactly in the same way as we just learned. Then comes the bridge part that comes right after the second chorus. And what you're going to play here is another round of the chorus play. So basically that means the chorus is twice as long in the second round, basically, but that's a bridge part still. So After that follows the second instrumental part, and that is just alternates again that E, F, and E, like in the same way as the first one. So no changes there. Then comes the final chorus, and guess what? You're gonna play that in the same way as the previous choruses, no changes there. And then you're gonna go into the outro parts and finalize this song with this E F combo. You're gonna play for 4 turns, and that, my friends, is how you handle 5 seconds of summer. Everyone's a star, even you guys. So yeah, only 5 chords, guys. You can create a lot with only these 5 tools and the strumming pattern. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Play tuned.